In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D CGI Hyperrealism using Nano Banana Pro. Open your preferred web browser and head to Google. Starting from a clean search page helps keep the process straightforward and avoids any distractions. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and press Enter. You're looking for the official Gemini site from Google. Opening the official page ensures you get the latest image tools and the correct interface for what we're about to do. Once you're on the Gemini app, look for the Create Image option. Go ahead and select it. This is the action that activates Nano Banana Pro behind the scenes, enabling the hyper-realistic rendering pipeline you need. If the button isn't obvious, give the page a moment to load fully. You should see an image generation workspace with a prompt field and controls. Next, click the plus sign to upload your reference image. Choose a high-resolution file with clear lighting, minimal noise, and a simple background. A well-lit front or three-quarter view is ideal if you're aiming for convincing depth and form. Stick to common formats like JPG or PNG, and make sure you have the right to use the image you upload. Clean references reduce guesswork for the model and result in fewer artifacts in the final render. Now it's time to write your prompt. You can use something like this as a starting point. A hyper-realistic 3D digital artwork of a small male figure that looks exactly like a fictional young man with warm, medium-tan skin, short dark hair, a sharp jawline, and expressive brown eyes. A neutral, non-identifiable face. From here, enrich the prompt with details that guide realism. Describe materials and textures, lighting style, and camera cues. For example, you might specify soft studio lighting, subtle skin translucency, natural pores, realistic hair strands, and a cinematic depth of field. Mention mood, color temperature, and surface qualities like fabric weave or leather grain if they matter to your scene. The clearer your intent, the more precisely Nano Banana Pro can interpret the look you're after, while keeping the subject non-identifiable. When your reference is uploaded and your prompt reads the way you want, click Submit. Rendering can take a moment. That's normal as the system resolves lighting, texture detail, and fine geometry. Review the result carefully. If anything feels off, skin tone, specular highlights, or facial proportions, adjust your wording with specific corrections and submit again. Small prompt refinements often yield big improvements. And that's it. You've used Google Gemini's image creation to activate Nano Banana Pro, uploaded a strong reference, crafted a targeted hyper-realistic prompt, and submitted it for rendering.